EAC India has been happening for the past 7 years now. This is the seventh year that we are doing the exhibition. UBM as such has been doing globally for the past 25 years in the US, and it's at San Jose and in Boston for the past 25 years. In India it is 7 years old, and we would be continuing to focus on the embedded technologies that are prevailing in India, as well as various aspects dealing with the embedded technology from all verticals that it caters to. For example, your defense, your automobiles, electronics industries as such. So this is some of the prospects of this event as such. We have got some international speakers who would be taking through various activities in terms of your training sessions, your tutorials on various aspects of embedded technology as such, in terms of your RTOS, firmware, your real-time operating systems, and various other things as such. So as I said, how is embedded technology benefiting a common man's life? What are the various things that can be implemented to better a particular equipment? For example, how can you better your TV? How can you better your washing machine, or your even your remote control for that matter can be bettered? Touch screens and various things can be taken care of. And also from a national perspective, where we have how can we better the defense equipments, various strategies and various aspects of it is going to be taught here in this conference.